Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change account type on the Kahoot mobile app. If you want to change your account type, the first thing you do is open up launch the app and then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, tap on your profile settings, and to open up this option like user information option or profile page where you can now change your account type. So you pass this open, the user information, then you scroll down, you can see account details and you can see account type. So you tap on account type, you can set on the account type. I have business, teacher, home and student. Let's say I want to change it to student. Let's tap on student. And my account type has changed. Also the information too has changed. It's as simple as that. If you don't understand what I mean, if you look here, you see organization, language, account type. But when I chose, let me quickly change it again so you can see. Or is it possible that okay, so it seems once you've changed it you can change it immediately again. That's gonna be a little bit of a problem because anyway, so it has changed to students. I changed from the teacher to student. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.